that a hawk, guys? Like, what is that? What type of bird is that? It's not very clear. But he had a really big wingspan. And he had, like, I guess that's a hawk or a falcon, right? He has something on his top of his head that looks, oh, is that just like a turkey buzzard? But he looks so, he's so big. The wingspan is so wide. Hold on. Let me zoom in. You see him that time? That looks like he's going into flight. Or about to. What is he? Is that just a turkey buzzard? He looked really cool when I saw him go across the road before. I'm gonna end up keep scaring him. I guess it's just a turkey buzzard. But he was really cool when he flew, that's for sure. People are probably like, why are you taking video of a turkey buzzard? Oh, because he had a really good soar when he soared through the air. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word. And my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. Yeah, I'm scaring him, so I'm gonna leave him alone. It just looks really cool from a distance, but I'm gonna leave him alone now. Please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. And until next time,